Hey besties, in today's video we are going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for the next 2 weeks. I'm going to be stuffing my daily envelopes as well as a couple of sinking funds and some saving challenges. So if that is what you're here for, then just go ahead and stay tuned.
Kanske var det meningen att jag skulle fastna här ikväll. Måste ut, måste bort, ta mig härifrån. När du såg mig under ljusen du startade en eld i mig och visade en väg ut. Lämnar över all kontroll, jag gillar hur du drar mig nu. Flyter vid något som jag drömde om och sagt förut. Vill inte höra mig, baby, det är dags att ta beslut. Yes, we like it, så tacksam att du fann mig. Mitt hjärta håller space för dig. Jag behöver inget annat så länge vi...
Alright guys, so we are stuffing a total of $288. I might need to invest in a new one of these, whatever it's called, because it's not like some of the other folks that I see where it looks a lot better and it's not as small. So let's get started. This money here, this money is going to go towards my saving challenges, so I'm just going to put this back here and we'll get to that part last. So the first wallet that we're going to start with is my daily wallet. This houses my daily envelopes that I take with me on the go. I do not travel with all of my envelopes. I just travel with the ones that I am potentially using at the time, but mainly every day I am traveling with my daily envelope. So the first thing that we're gonna stuff is groceries, and that's $150. That's gonna get 7 20s. I got that, grabbed that right on the money, right? And then a 10. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, and 50. So it should take me only about $150 to eat. I will be increasing this. I did say I was going to increase it by $50. I think I'm just going to take some money from my side hustle when I do get paid from that, and then I'll add it to this. But from my budget, we really didn't have enough, so yeah. All right, we're not taking anything out for eating out. So for household, I'm taking out $30, and that is going to be a 20 and a 10. And then for car registration, that's going to be $13. That's going to be a 10 and 3 ones. Oops, wait a minute, hold on, hold on, whoops, I was going too fast, I skipped something. I'm like, car registration, that is not in my daily wallet. Toiletries is gonna be getting $50, and that is 2 20s and a 10. And that is it for my daily wallet. Next up is my sinking funds binder, and I am only going to be stuffing a couple of sinking funds. The first one is going to be car registration. Now we're going to stuff this, and that's $13. That's a 10 and 3 ones. And I will update the card, which I see I don't even have the card in here, off camera, because I'm kind of in a little bit of a rush. So I'll update that later. Let's see how much I have here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, $90, $91, $92, $93, $94 in car registration. My car registration is due in September, and it's like $300, somewhere around there. Next up is trash. That is going to be getting a $20 bill. And I only have a 20 in there, so it's gonna be 40 bucks. Next up is Costco, and that's gonna be getting $5. The membership renewal is $60. So here I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, $35. So I should have the 60 by the time it is time for me to renew. And then AAA is going to be getting $20. And it is almost time for me to renew this as well. So that's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. $103. And this is like $170 or something like that. That is it for my sinking funds binder. Now I am going to figure out which savings challenge I am going to contribute to. So I can do, let's see how much money I have here first. I have $61 here. So let's see, I can contribute to the 3,000 savings challenge or this one. And I think I am going to contribute to the $3,000 savings challenge. And let me see, so I have to choose a circle every week. So I'm not really, kind of behind, but not really, but kind of. So let me grab one of my markers out of here. I'm just gonna use pink. Well, yeah, I'm gonna use pink. So because I have $61, I am going to put $60 in here. And I'm just gonna leave the $1 bill in here as well, and that'll just be extra. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. So anytime I have any type of, you know, overage with like $1 or $2 or $3, I'm still just gonna add it. So then that way I will have a little bit more money added, or saved rather. Okay, so that is it for my savings challenge, and that's pretty much it. I did not have to stuff a lot, so I definitely plan on staying in budget for the next 2 weeks, but make sure that you guys stay tuned. I am going to be stuffing more envelopes, and that is going to be when I get my side hustle. But until then, go be great, besties. Peace out.
Do you believe? Straight from a party,